welcome to chemical reactions in Minecraft. First, we're going to start off with synthesis. Grab these real quick. Synthesis is when you construct or build a final product from multiple reactants. For example, sodium plus chlorine is sodium chloride. When you put those together, you get sodium chloride. So now, for example, using coal, sticks, and wood logs, put them together, we get a campfire. Now let's put these away. Next, we're going to do decomposition. Grab these. So decomposition is when one reactant breaks down into two or more products, aka the opposite of synthesis. For example, carbon monoxide broken down is carbon plus oxygen. To show that, we're going to mine these netherracks with gold ingots, and when you mine them, they actually break, and then the ingots will fall, and you'll be just left with ingots, and if they don't fall in the lava. See, we picked up some. Now we're gonna go do single displacement. Single displacement is when one element is replaced by another element to form a new compound. For example, zinc plus hydrochloric acid. Well, then, once one of the elements is switched with another, will be zinc chloride plus hydrogen. And to show that, we're going to push these around so you get to see the final product. As you see, now the yellow block, instead of being with the pink block from the original position, it is now with the blue block. Our next one is double displacement. Okay, and now we're going to read the book. Double displacement is when two compounds are in a completely new order, or every element is with another element, so they have completely switched partners. For example, hydrogen chloride plus sodium hydroxide would be sodium chloride plus water. Also, I wrote H2O kind of funny. The comma I put there because I couldn't put a subscript, but I did put the equal sign here to show that it's supposed to be H2O, not H comma O. To show that, I'm going to rearrange these animals, if they let me. I'm going to stand you up first. Come here, please. Thank you. You can go here, if you please. And the dog's a little less stubborn, so I can just push him over here. And now they both have new partners, so they aren't the original compounds they were earlier. Put these back. And now we're off to go do combustion. I actually wanted to record this segment earlier, but on accident, on my first trial, I blew up everything and had to restart most of my build. Combustion occurs when oxygen reacts with other chemicals like methane and creates heat and light, in other words, fire. So I chose to write the equation on the wall just so it was easier for the subscripts to be noted. I did carbon and 4 hydrogens plus 2 groups of oxygen in a pair, and the half Oh, it was supposed to be oxygen, but I guess I forgot to fill in the bottom 2 blocks. And the formula would be carbon and 2 oxygens, which is CO2, as we all know from our daily lives, plus 2 groups of water, of the water molecule. Okay, as we walk into the combustion hut that was made out of TNT, I'm going to grab my flint and my iron ingots, because when we make the 2, it makes flint and steel, and in Minecraft, flint and steel makes and slash ignites fire, as shown here. And the funny thing is that I love doing is mixing fire and ignition slash TNT, because then it explodes. Sadly, I forgot to step out of the house, so I was not able to record all that, but I do have a clip of me blowing up my friend because I thought it was funny and I wanted to include some bloopers. But yeah, here you can see that it blew up basically the whole back wall. It didn't destroy any of my other buildings, because I learned from my previous mistakes not to put it too close to the other houses, or it will blow up everything and shoot TNT up into the sky and land everywhere. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Yaga. And now time for bloopers. Here's the blooper of me blowing up my friend Cassie. We were just in a playful mood, so I wanted to blow her up, and so she let me. And as you see, TNT does fling far distance and makes big damage everywhere. So, yeah. And then here I saw chicken got stuck, so I tried to get it out, but it wouldn't really move from its spot. So I just kind of stared at it for a little bit. And, yeah.